It's too slippery here. Wow, this is amazing. Today the video is not about the hotel or outlet. I'm going to show you the best waterfall in Thailand. This is Erawan waterfall, the most famous waterfall in Thailand, located near Kanchanaburi, and we're gonna go to discover it. Let's go. So there's a map that you can see. They show you the way. They have a 7 level that 1, 2, 7, which is the last one. You can see the best view over there, but it's very hard to get there. Hopefully I can make it today. This is one of the best place that you guys have to visit. The most important things is try to get here as much as early that you can because of the heat, and maybe in the afternoon time it's a bit more crowded. Let's go and start. Also, if you feel tired, you can take one of these golf car and get on the way. So you can see the dimension here. The first waterfall is 500 meters. Let's go. Probably after 5 minutes walk you're gonna reach this beautiful place. Lots of people, they stay in this area, but this is not even level 1. Don't get it wrong. You can't swim there, but on some part of it you can just put your legs in the water. After a few minutes walk, you're gonna reach this place. This is a level 1, which not many people swim here. So let's go to the level 2. After a few minutes of walk, this is the second level, which is not far from the first level. And in here you can swim. It's beautiful. Wow, look at the fish. It's beautiful. All right, let's go to the next level. We reached the second level. Now we go to the third one. The third level is only 90 meters. This one is level 3. By the way guys, something very important that you guys have to remember. When you enter to this park, don't forget to get these jackets, the swimming vest, because otherwise they won't allow you to swim in the lake or in this waterfall. So you should have something like this. And this is only on the first level, remember it. It's so hot. Another 400 meters to level 4. The only problem is there are lots of stairs. Be prepared, guy. Be prepared. There's a tree here that I remember a long time ago people told me the story about the ghost, and that's why people hanging their wedding clothes here and something nice to this tree, because they were the ghosts. I don't know, something about the wedding. I'm not sure how much is true. So here we are at the level 4. You have to maybe take some rock to go down and reach this waterfall. If you can go up, you can swing like this guy. All right, let's try to reach level 5, which is a 450 meters up. That was a really good cooling down. After the level 4, again you see another trees which they hang the clothes as, and I think this is also about there is some ghost story about these trees which I'm not sure. Hopefully I can find some Thai people, they tell me this story. We have another 400 meters to the level 5. Let's go. They mentioned the level 5 is like 450 meters from the level 4, but I think it's more. I'm still walking and I can't reach the level 5. It's beautiful here, guys. It's beautiful, really. I recommend everybody to visit this Erawan fall. This is exactly look like some nice scenery from the movie. Eight years ago that I've been here, they didn't have this kind of pathway, and it's a bit tough to walk and go up and down. Thanks to Thailand that they built this walking path, it makes it easier. And finally we arrive the level 5. Here is the level 5. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. Level 5 looks so nice and amazing, but I think I prefer level 4. It was much deeper and bigger area for swimming. According to my injury, unfortunately, I couldn't reach the level 6 and 7. It's a bit far from here, and it's almost 4 p.m. and I think it's better to get down and go down before it gets too dark, and a bit relax and chill on the level 4, which was much better than here. Oh, this is so tough. It's too slippery here. Alright guys, it's a long day and I think it's a time to go back. So I took this golf car to go back. The ticket cost 30 baht only. I think it's worth it because I'm so tired to walk. Thanks for watching this video and I will see you on the next one soon. Peace.